Kambi rech mong'ere kaka Aquarech oyao ya ayanga chenro mage mag tiyo kod lony manyasani ahinya to e mbui mar neno ni gitudo jopith mag rech mawuok e gwenge mopogore opogore. Kotelni kod jata tije margi Devo Kech giyango bende ni kokalo e mbui margi kata app, jopith mag rech biro yudo thuolo mar nyiewo chiemb rech kokalo e mbui kendo ng'eyo kaka chiro mar rech timo e pinje mopogore opogore kaachiel kod nengo mamoko bende. Aquarech man kod bedene counties kaka Kisumu, Nakuru, Kakamega kod Nairobi geto bero yuto kokalo e yor mbui.
Our mission is simple yet profound: to empower rural small and medium fish farmers through digital technology. And leverage on mobile app technology, these feeds have better feed conversion ratio that is going to significantly enhance productivity of rural smallholder fish farmers by reducing the production period from 13 months to 8 months. We have a robust last-mile distribution system of this feed that we are flagging off today to go to 9 different counties. That is Kirinyaga, Kisumu, Siaya, Busia, Kakamega, Vihiga, Migori, Homa Bay, Kisii, and Nyamira, where fish farmers will be able to access top-quality feeds at the comfort of their phone using our digital platform, Aquarech app. For those with the feature phones, you can dial *789*4# to access the feeds. And for those with smartphones, please download Aquarech Farmer app on your phone today to be able to access the best quality feeds at the comfort of your phone.